Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites, level, equipment, and unlocked skills. Once done, assemble the recommended team composition so roles cover crowd control and sustain. Start the first actionable step. Enter the chapter on manual control and test ability timings. Make sure to note enemy mechanics and interrupt windows. Practice one run focused on positioning because pattern memory beats raw power early on. After that, adjust gear and skill allocation to shore up weaknesses before repeating on auto for consistency. Once you've established a stable opening, shift into the complex middle steps, target priority and timing. You should learn which adds spawn and which casts to interrupt, lock those down first, and then funnel damage into the priority boss. Make sure to conserve big cooldowns until critical windows. This raises success consistency. Tweak artifacts and runes to shore up resistances to the chapter's primary damage type, and rotate support cooldowns so healing is always available when pressure spikes occur. You reach the final phase by timing a coordinated burst to finish the boss while dodging known telegraphs. Once the big casts are avoided, press your damage windows and use leftover consumables to seal the clear. After victory, salvage rewards and inspect drops to plan upgrades. If things go wrong, don't guess. Reset the encounter, adjust a single variable like a skill point or item, and try again. A key troubleshooting tip: record a run or watch the replay to pinpoint the exact failure moment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.